uso mo na namang way practice ay andun na sa main race mag-practice. But we finished because I believe I can. No, when we put our mind and heart in it, and we find reason why we run. Like ako, we want to run to fight stress. I want to influence my team to really have discipline, because if you have something, if you're running, for those people who really knows me, there's really a huge shift in my lifestyle when I started running, because you tend to hindi na ako katake of alcohol. So I know we're like, now when you start running, we're like, your body, so even without even knowing it, you're slowly changing your lifestyle. You become more disciplined. And if we can, we believe you can. This is really the resounding message on that Sugbu 5. And as you've seen in the video, a lot of people, especially Candice, I had an opportunity to talk to her. Even when I saw her during AWOM, I was even surprised na, oh my God, she's gonna run 50K. And it was her first time. So when she crossed the finish line, I know a lot of people, I read her stories, and a lot of people are being inspired. So all the more that Hunat Sugbu 5 having this advocacy, really encouraging people. Hopefully everybody will find time, because this is, as what Tony mentioned as well, this is the sport that parang anyone can do this. You don't need a partner, you don't need a space. It's anywhere that you can just really run and exercise. So diba, di siya boring na ano, then you parang unlike the badminton, tennis, you need a place, really a specific space that you can do such sport. But for running, you can do it anywhere. You can even do it in your own backyard. Tuyok lang ka diyan. You can really do it alone even if you don't have a running body. But as you develop this kind of sport, I know somewhere along the way, I met a lot of people who inspired me in a way to continue running. And hopefully through Hunat, we will be able to make it like, how I say it, parang sport and a way of a way to people to start a healthy lifestyle through running. So with that being said, I hope I'm gonna see you all on June 21 at Ayala Terraces, 5 a.m. Thank you.